Hey guys, what's going on? I am totally a makeup junkie. I love, love, love makeup, and I want to tell you about my favorite lip product on the market. It's called Tarteist. You've probably seen it maybe in either like a makeup store, or maybe you've heard about it from friends or online. I had seen it previously when I was looking and shopping for makeup around like 2 years ago, maybe even before that. So I was a little bit familiar with it, but I never tried it. And in particular, I actually went into a makeup store, and I do demonstrations for work sometimes for certain products. So I happened to be in a store and I was talking to this girl who was a makeup artist, and I'm like, I'm having such a hard time picking out a lipstick to get for my wedding. So even for, when you get your makeup done, the makeup artist will always put a lipstick on you, but that's the one product that you need to purchase because you're going to be reapplying it all night, because you're like, for pictures, you're kissing your husband, you're kissing the guests hello, and you want to make sure that, when you're kissing your guests hello, you're not getting lipstick all over them. When you're kissing your husband, you're not getting lipstick all over him, because it's going to be in the pictures. You don't want it all over your face. So lipstick is a very, very important thing on your wedding day. So this girl who was a makeup artist was like, oh my God, like, you haven't tried Tarteist? And I'm like, no, I don't really know much about it. And I had bought, I think it was Kat Von D's lipstick, because I love her line, because she's completely cruelty free and her colors are so pretty. So I bought this Kat Von D liquid lipstick in red with sparkles, and I was talking to this makeup artist, and I told her, I'm wearing an ivory and gold dress, and I'm going to be getting a spray tan, so I'm going to have a spray tan on my face, and I need to have a color that looks good with that. And I was going to go with the red Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and she's like, no, try Tarteist in FOMO. She's like, I just did makeup on a girl whose wedding it was, and it was just the best. It came out in pictures so good. And I said, all right. I said, I'm going to try it. So I they allow you at some of the makeup stores to get a little Q-tip and just try it on, and I fell in love with everything about it, from the color, the texture, to the fact that Tarteist is cruelty free. I was so happy with it. So I tried it on, and I fell in love with the color FOMO, which is this one. My wedding was back in March, and I've been carrying it around in my bag and using it like every single day. So that's why it's like a little bit like the label's coming off a bit, and it's also starting to like not dry out, but it's definitely like getting to be near empty. You guys could see, like, even in there, there's not much left. I put a little bit on my hand so I could show you this gorgeous color. You guys see that? Such a pretty color. It looked great. Like, I had a spray tan for my wedding. It looked good in all the pictures because it wasn't too much or too little. It was just right. It was like beautiful and in between. And I'm a girl that uses lipstick every single day, but this one just like definitely knocked it out of the park for me. I'm not using any other lip products besides Tarteist. I do, but like, this is my go-to. This is perfect. And then I was lucky enough to get one of the makeup stores sent me a free sample for my birthday of Tarteist in birthday suit. And I'm gonna open this up and show you guys the color. There's a lot more in here. This is birthday suit. It's a little bit lighter. I like FOMO because it's a little darker and has like more of a pink pigment to it, but let me show you guys on my skin tone. You can see this one, the top one, is birthday suit, and they have a matching blush that goes with it. Very pretty, but like, for me personally, I like FOMO. It's a little darker and a little bit like, I don't know, a little pinker also. Pinker and almost like rose. But their Tarteist Lip Paint is the best. Like, it literally stays on. It's feather light. It doesn't transfer. If you're reapplying and you're putting like several coats on, then it could start to, transfer a little bit. But just, I blot first with like a tissue once or twice, and I'm good to go. And it literally stays on for hours, which is awesome, because for work I have to like take a lot of photos and stuff, and like I eat in between, and I need something that's and I have long days too, so I need to make sure that I have a lipstick that's gonna stay on. And I feel good about this lipstick from you know, you ever wear a lipstick and like you feel like, oh my god, like, is a lipstick on my teeth while I'm talking to someone? You don't have to worry about that with this lipstick, like, ever, which is amazing. You literally never have to worry that it's gonna get on your teeth, because it just doesn't. It just doesn't transfer like that. Maybe like when I'm eating, I'll like look and see that like a little bit got on my food from my lips, but like that's it doesn't bleed or anything. It literally is what it says. Like, it says lip paint. That's exactly what it is. It's paint, and it like stays on and comes off easily with makeup remover, and it really just is the best. And it's something you could feel good about because it's not tested on animals. You don't have to worry it's going to get on your teeth. And the colors are beautiful, beautiful, pigmented, opaque colors, so pretty. They have so many different colors. These just happen to be the ones that I love the most, but there's other really great colors as well. So this was the FOMO, FOMO, and then this one is Birthday Suit, it's called. I hope you guys try out Tarteist, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Bye, guys.